In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change inventory in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily manage your inventory. You will be able to use the loadout wheel and switch between guns, different items, lures, and so on. I'm going to teach you how to acquire items from the store and also how to manage them. If you have already purchased the items that you want to equip, you can skip ahead. However, if you still need to acquire them, you will be able to do so by going over to any of these caches on any outpost. So look for an outpost and then look for this little crate or chest icon. This is going to be a cache where you can acquire and manage your items. So upon accessing the cache, you can open it up, and in here you will find plenty of options. The main one is going to be the store. The store is where you can acquire new weapons, ammo, sights, and lures, all of which will go over to your inventory. So whenever you choose any of the categories, you will see the items, you will see the price displayed here, and any sort of statistics plus a vague description. All that you have to do is purchase any items that you want to use or add to your inventory, and after you have acquired them, you can find them upon accessing the storage tab. So right underneath store, you have storage, and in here you can transfer items from your locker to your inventory. So the locker is essentially where you can store items that you aren't using because you will have a total carrying capacity. So once you have something that you want to transfer, select it and then drag it over to your inventory. With this done, you can exit out of the cache and open the menu. Upon opening the menu, the second option should be your inventory. So in here, you will find your weapons, ammo, sights, lures, consumables, and binoculars. You can drag any of these items that you see into the weapon wheel at the right side of the screen. So just select one of them and then drag them over here. If you need to change these buttons, you can go over to hotkeys to manage all of them. By default, they will go 1 through 9 and then 0 as well at the end, and you can switch between any of these by pressing the corresponding button. I hope I was able to help you on how to change inventory in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.